Are you tired of dealing with slow and unreliable gaming computers? Do you want to take your gaming to the next level with a custom-built machine? Then you've come to the right place. Building a gaming PC is a fun and rewarding experience that can give you the ultimate control over your gaming setup. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced builder, this guide will walk you through all the steps you need to take to build a powerful, reliable, and affordable gaming PC. First, you'll need to choose the components for your build. This includes the CPU, GPU, motherboard, RAM, storage, and more. For the CPU, we recommend the Intel Core i5 or i7 series for mid to high-end performance. For the GPU, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series is a popular choice for high-end gaming. The ASRock B450 Pro 4 or Asus ROG Strix B450F gaming motherboards are both great options for the motherboard. For RAM, you can't go wrong with Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB DDR4 RAM. As for storage, a Kingston A2500GB NVMe SSD will provide lightning-fast load times. Make sure to choose components that are compatible with each other, and that meet your performance and budget needs. Next, you'll need to put all the components together. This involves installing the CPU, GPU, RAM, and other components into the motherboard, connecting the power supply and storage devices, and making sure everything is properly secured. We recommend using the EVGA 600BQ 80+ Bronze 600W power supply for a reliable and affordable option. Finally, you'll need to install the operating system, drivers, and other software. This will help ensure your gaming PC runs smoothly and efficiently. Windows 10 is the most commonly used operating system for gaming. With these steps in mind, you'll be well on your way to building a gaming PC that meets your needs and delivers an amazing gaming experience. The satisfaction you'll feel after successfully building your own gaming PC is unmatched, and you'll have a machine that you can be proud of for years to come. So why wait? Get started building your own gaming PC today and take your gaming to the next level. Not only will you have a faster and more reliable gaming experience, but you'll also have the knowledge and experience of building a custom PC that you can use for future upgrades and builds. Thank you for watching our video. In this video, we gave you information about how to set up a player computer, what are the price-performance products, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Stay tuned to Tectonic and see you in the next video.